Hi guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about Cognizant Internship Program. This is a Cognizant FAQ, Internship FAQ 2021 PDF that I will tell you the source of this PDF. You can go and check it out at the end of the video. But there are few questions which was quite popular last year as well as this year. So I just want to highlight those questions from this PDF. If you'll go through it, there are a lot of questions that is frequently asked by so many students. You can find all your answers over here, but some of the important questions I'm going to cover in this video. So even by reading this, if you'll have a little doubt, this video may help you to clear it out. Okay, so let's get started. Starting with the first question, what is internship? I'm sure you all know. So Cognizant has two programs. One is CSD program, another is internship for on-campus students. So every on-campus has to go through this pre-joining kind of early engagement. They can either opt CSD or internship. It's not Cognizant choice, it's your choice. You are going to opt it. So basically the internship program is kind of a first come first serve. Now the very frequent questions that I'm getting is, can we change from CSD to internship? Okay, suppose I have opted CSD program, can I change it to internship? No. While going through this PDF, you'll find that internship program is a kind of first come first serve. So those who have opted internship, are they definitely going to get internship 100%? So I would say no. If you'll see the answers, then you can find like internship is a first come first serve. So if the seat is fulfilled, then even if you have opted internship, you may get CSD program. Are you getting my point? So it's not necessary those who have opted internship, they are definitely going to get. Stipend, the most popular question. How much will I get? They are saying 12,000 in hand, 12,000 per month. But it's not exactly 12,000 because they will apply tax deduction also. Okay, so you will be getting near around 10k, 200, 500 kind of. So nearly you will get in hand 10k around. Okay, so this is going to be your stipend during your internship. And for CSD program, there is no such stipend. Now, before proceeding here, guys, hope you know the importance of internship or any training. I have already shared my experience, my journey with my internship and training in my first company. How I got full stack development role at the first place in the company because of my profile or resume I used to update on the company's portal. Since we know the competitiveness among the skilled graduate was higher already. And owing to the pandemic and lockdown, the competition has increased manifold. Securing a good job has become more and more challenging. Textbooks, professional training and internship courses are here to help you learn in the most comprehensive manner. From instructor-led basics to a hands-on internship. Two courses which I'm going to cover here, which I think is more demanding in the industry. First, you can check out the Programming with Python course, Training and Internship Batch 2. They are going to have 30 plus live classes, 150 plus video session assessments, industry project. Now, what you can gain from this internship come training? Internship certificate, training certificate, industry level trainer. And what you will learn in this course? They have clearly mentioned it. Syntax and coding techniques, SQL Lite and MySQL, real life case studies, file handling in Python, object-oriented programming, Python project cycle, how to build your developer profile and how to prepare for an interview. The second course is Web Development course, Training and Internship Batch 2. Join now to avail it, up your skill and get the textbook authorized certification. So you can apply coupon code SWS20 to get 50% plus 20% extra off on the courses training cum internship. All links are there in the description. Please go ahead and check it out. Now let's move to this video. When will intern be joining as full-time employment? So based on the performance during internship and the business demand. See the second word, and the business demand. Your onboarding as a full-time employee will be prioritized. So try to perform well, whether it is a CSD program or internship program. If you want a good technology, perform well to get better and to get a better role and to get on priority onboarding. Okay? Can I skip internship and join Cognizant later? So no, there is a lot. It's a big answer. I will shortly say no. They may terminate you if you are not completing either CSD or internship. Now let's proceed further. What exactly will I undergo in internship? You will undergo a learning curriculum as per the learning track assigned to you. Learning track means any technology. The learning path will include in-depth session, hands-on exercise and project work. There will also be a series of webinar, quizzes, code, SMEs, interaction and mentor connect and coding challenges, etc. to accelerate your learning. So these kind of stuff you are going to get, okay, in the internship. Does Cognizant evaluate my performance during internship? Yes, performance will be reviewed, evaluated and communicated on regular basis. But the scores will not be shared. You can see in the point number 21. Can I take leaves during internship? We strongly recommend that you avoid leave during internship. However, in case of any kind of emergency, then you are always, you can take if there is an emergency situation. Can I choose the technology for my internship project? Allocation of technology track depends on the following: student capability, business demand, location where it can be offered. Student capability is assessed through electives completed by the student, participation in other technical forum, and performance in internship. After the internship is successfully completed, the campus hire will be mapped to the same project or location based on the continued business demand. You can check out these questions by your own. Now, from where you can get this resource, this PDF? So there is a Telegram channel for this, from where I got this. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys. So if you want to go through all these questions, you can check it out on this Telegram. I forgot the name, so I'll be showing it over here. And you can go over there, and in the file section you can find two PDF. One is for CSD program, another is for internship, and you can find in-depth knowledge of CSD and internship.